Hello there everybody, just a very quick video here. Somebody commented on the video that I put up a couple of days ago about where the ramp is on one of these. Single deck BYD. It is in fact by the exit doors and it is manually operated like all of ours. So let's see if I can work out how to do it. Yeah, it's as simple as that. You just lift it up like that. And then you close it in the same way. Just like that. I don't know if the next BYD buses that we get will be dual door. I believe I said in my previous video the only reason these are is because they were bought for the shuttle between the various campuses on the university in Hatfield. So it's quite likely that the next ones may very well be single door, because a lot of the country bus stops don't have the provision for you to serve the stop with the exit doors. A stupidly hot day today, as I'm sure you all know, and the aircon is really struggling in this. It's actually cooler just to have the windows open, and every time I stop at a bus stop I'm just opening both sets of doors and just letting the air flow through. That's it for now. Just as I say, just a short video. Thanks for watching.